Good afternoon to all. Myself Mohammad Ubaid Ahmed, and I have completed my engineering from KBN Engineering College in 2018 from Gulbarga, and I am working as a project engineer since last 10 months in Amplify Infra. My current project is an residential building G+3, and my site is located at Attap. Now I will give you a detailed explanation of waterproofing work for terrace. Clean the RCC surface of all loose particles, dust, cement, etc. In one cement bag, add 200 ml of phosphorus chemical. A cement mortar of ratio 1:4 along with chemical is applied to the parapet chip surface to prevent leakages at corners. Now first 2 layers of brush bond using cement slurry along with phosphorus chemical using brush is applied. Between 2 layers, a time gap of 4 to 6 hours should be maintained and both layers should be at perpendicular to each other. Cement mortar should be laid in the ratio of 1:4. Second coat is applied using cement mortar of ratio 1:4 at a slope of 2% or more of the diagonal length. Squares of 2 feet by 2 feet is made using thick thread immediately after second coat so that any repair works can be done easily. Fill the water for 7 days to check the leakage. All the corners of the slab should be tapered to easily remove the rainwater. Top coat or final coat is applied using cement slurry with chemical phosphoric is applied on the next day. As you can see, the waterproofing work is completed for terrace. Thank you.